Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the largest water tank in Jamaica. Recently, the government installed a 130,000 gallon water tank in Manchester. And today this is the largest water tank they have in service. In Montego Bay, they have a 100,000 gallon storage tank that was commissioned in 2022. In St. Mary, in Sandside and Trinity Heights, they have a 100,000 gallon water tank. And in Yorktown and Albertown, they have a 50,000 gallon tank. So at 130,000 gallons, this is the largest water tank. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Farmers in Manchester will now have access to more water, especially during periods of drought following the commissioning of a 130-gallon sectional water tank by Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining. Speaking during a ceremony at the National Irrigation Commission Limited New Forest Office in Manchester, Minister Green described the tank installation as a significant investment, which will have a positive impact on the livelihoods of farmers in the area. He disclosed that the newly installed tank holds 230% more water than the capacity of the previous facility. Highlighting additional benefits of the tank, Mr. Green noted that it will streamline the loading process for trucks transporting water to farms, thereby reducing wait times and improving operational efficiency. This 130,000 gallon tank with our modern connection will only take 45 minutes to be refilled. The good news is that while this is being refilled, it will not break the service of filling the trucks that are here. There will be absolutely no halt at all in the refilling process throughout the entire day. We will be able to run the system 100% of the time. So in essence, that makes us much more efficient, the minister added. He pointed out that under the previous system, truck loading had to be halted multiple times throughout the day to refill the tank. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We will give you a tour of the actual tank in a future video. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.